Moto Corporation Limited. Honda is a multinational mobility and manufacturing company headquartered in Tokyo, Japan. Moreover, it is one of the world's leading manufacturers of motorcycles, automobiles, and power products, with operations across many countries worldwide. In addition, Honda operates through three main business segments, such as motorcycles, automobiles, and power products, while continuously investing in future mobility technologies such as electrification, advanced driver assistance system (ADAS), and robotics. Honda was founded on 24 September 1948 by Soichiro Honda and Takeo Fujisawa. Since then, the company has grown into one of the world's leading global mobility companies through continuous innovation and international expansion. Next, I will explain the tools used for performance measurement at Honda Motor Corporation Limited. Performance measurement helps Honda evaluate whether its operations are achieving the company's strategic objective. It supports decision-making, improve accountability, identify areas for improvement, and ensure continuous growth. To measure its financial performance, Honda uses four key financial indicators, which is revenue growth, operating profit margin, net profit margin, and return on equity or ROE. Together, these measures evaluate Honda's sales performance, profitability, operational efficiency, and its ability to create value for shareholders.
Now, I will explain about the Honda non-financial performance measure. Non-financial performance measures are indicators that do not focus on profit or revenue. Instead, they measure how well the company performs in areas that support long-term success. The first measure is innovation. Honda invests heavily in research and development, especially in electric vehicle, artificial intelligence, and advanced technologies. This helps the company stay competitive and create better products. The second measure is sustainability performance. Honda worked to reduce carbon emission, improve fuel efficiency, and achieve carbon neutrality by 2050. This effort also strengthen stakeholder trust and support environmental responsibility. The third measure is product quality and safety. Honda aims to reduce traffic accident by improving vehicle safety features and maintaining high product quality. This increase customer satisfaction and protect the company's reputation. The fourth measure is employee development. Honda invests in employee training, leadership development, and workplace diversity. Skill and motivate employees help the company achieve its strategic goal. Lastly, brand and customer value. Honda has built a strong global brand by maintaining customer loyalty, providing reliable product, and delivering excellent customer service. Overall, this non-financial measure help Honda achieve sustainable growth and long-term success. I will explain about the Honda Critical Success Factor or CSFS and Key Performance Indicator or KPIs. Critical Success Factor are the key areas that Honda must perform well in to achieve its goals. This includes technology innovations, sustainability, product quality, safety, employee development, and strong brand value. To measure these success factors, Honda use Key Performance Indicator or KPIs. This includes financial indicators such as return on investment as well as non-financial indicators like customer satisfaction, safety rating, carbon emission reduction, and employee engagement. There is a close relationship between CSFS and KPIs. The CSFS tell Honda what is important, while the KPIs measure whether those goals are being achieved. For example, if sustainability is a critical success factor, Honda can use carbon emission reduction as a KPI to track its progress. Finally, Honda linked this performance measure with its overall business strategy by monitoring the right KPIs. The company can improve decision making, use resources more effectively, and continue creating value for customers and shareholders. In conclusion, Honda CSFS and KPIs work together to ensure the company remain competitive, sustainable, and successful in the long term.
Muhammad Irwansyah. My number matric is 301337. Today I will present the performance pyramid model and its application in Honda Motor Corp. First, what is the performance pyramid model? This model was developed by Linz and Krons in 1991. It is a performance measurement tool that help a company connect its long-term vision with its daily operation. It has 4 levels, starting from the corporate vision at the top and ending with the operational measure at the bottom. This helps every department work towards the same company goals. Now, let's look at how Honda apply this model. At the top of the pyramid, Honda corporate vision focus on sustainability. innovation, safety, and mobility. Honda aims to achieve carbon neutrality and zero traffic collision fatality by 2050. The second level is the business unit goals. Honda set clear targets for its automobile, motorcycle, and power product business. It measures performance using indicators such as ROIC, brand value, carbon emission reduction, and electric vehicle sales. The third level is the operational objective. Honda improve customer satisfaction by investing in advanced technology such as electric vehicle, artificial intelligence, software-defined vehicle, and ADAS. At the same time, Honda developed its employees through training, diversity, and talent development. Finally, at the bottom of the pyramid, Honda measures daily performance. The company monitors quality, efficiency, safety, environmental performance, and research and development. This measure help Honda improve its operation continuously. Next, let's discuss the advantage of this model. The first advantage is that align Honda strategy with daily work. So, every employee understands the company goal. Second, it combines financial and non-financial performance measure, giving management a complete view of the company performance. Third, it supports continued improvement by identifying problems early and improve quality and productivity. Finally, it is improved communication and coordination because every department works towards the same objective. However, there are also have some disadvantages. The model can be difficult to implement because Honda operates many businesses around the world. It can also create information overload because the company measures many different performance indicators. In addition, some non-financial measures such as innovation, employee engagement, and are difficult to measure accurately. Lastly, because the automotive industry changes very quickly, Honda must regularly update its performance indicator to stay competitive. In conclusion, the performance pyramid model is very sustainable for Honda because it links the company vision with measurable goals and daily activity. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Suhadatul Amira, and now I will expand further on Fitzgerald and Moon Building Blocks model, which is one of the performance measurement model applied by Honda, developed by Fitzgerald and Moon in 1991. So this model provides a balanced framework for evaluating organization performance by integrating both financial and non-financial measures. So it consists of three components: result, determinant, standard, and reward. In this slide, I will focus on the first two components, which is firstly is result. Represent the outcome achieved by the organization. Honda measure financial performance using the indicators such as sales revenue, operating profit, return on equity, and also profit attributable to shareholder. Besides financial measure, Honda also evaluate employee engagement, human capital development, sustainability, innovation, product quality, and customer satisfaction. This allows Honda to assess its overall performance from multiple perspectives. Secondly, determinants are the factors that drive future success. These include quality, flexibility, innovation, and resources utilization. Honda continuously improve vehicle safety, invest in R&D, expand its electrification strategy, and manage the resources efficiently to maintain the long-term competitiveness in the global automotive industry. Moving on to the final component, standard and reward. Honda established clear key performance indicator or KPI and key goal indicator known as KGI to monitor performance in areas such as financial result, employee engagement, inclusion, and human resource development. Management regularly review these indicators to ensure the organization objectives are achieved. Honda also adopt a performance-based evaluation system where employees are assessed based on their ability, roles, and achievement instead of seniority. High-performing employees are recognized through career development opportunities, training program, and appropriate reward. The application of this model provides several benefits to Honda. It combines financial and non-financial measures, focus on future performance drivers, strengthen strategic alignment, and support continuous improvement and better decision-making. However, implementation can be complex because Honda operates globally and manage extensive performance data. In addition, Qualitative factors such as innovation and employee engagement are difficult to measure objectively, while balancing short-term profitability with long-term strategic investment remain an ongoing challenge.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Azim Azrazin. My metric number is 302447. For this slide, I will discuss Honda's overall financial performance in 2025. Let's start with the good news. Honda sales revenue increased by 6.2% and reached 21.69 trillion yen. This means that people around the world still trust and continue to buy Honda products. But here, the interesting part, even though Honda sold more products, the company actually made less profit than before. Operating profit dropped by 12.2% and profit attributable to owners decreased by 24.5%. At the same time, Honda return on equity or ROE also fell from 9.3% to 6.7%. So in the simple words, Honda is very good at generating sales, but it is facing some challenge in controlling costs and maintaining profitability. The good thing is that Honda still has a strong financial position. The company owns total asset of 30.78 trillion yen and total equity of 12.63 trillion yen. Honda also invests 1.21 trillion yen in research and development because the company is preparing for future growth and innovation. Overall, Honda financial performance remains strong, but improving profitability and efficiency should be its main focus moving forward. Now, let's move to something that is equally important, which is non-financial performance evaluation. As we know, a successful company is not only about making money, it is also about innovation, sustainability, people, and brand reputation. First, Honda is very strong in innovation. The company invests by 1.21 trillion yen in research and development and owns more than 37,000 patents worldwide. That's a huge number and shows that Honda keeps creating new technologies and better products. Next is sustainability. Honda has set two big goals to achieve carbon neutrality and eliminate traffic collision fatality by the year 2050. This shows that Honda really cares about the environment and customer safety. Honda also values its people. The company has more than 194,000 associates around the world and continues to invest in employee development and knowledge sharing. Finally, Honda brand is one of the biggest strengths. In fact, Honda is recognized as one of the top 3 automotive brands globally, with a brand value of 26.7 billion USD. Overall, Honda non-financial performance is very impressive because the company focuses not only on profit but also on creating long-term value for society and its stakeholders. Thank you.
My name is Audrey, metric number 300728. Let's present the strengths of Honda performance measurement systems. First, Honda integrates both financial and non-financial performance measures. Financial indicators such as revenue growth and profitability. Honda also evaluates innovation, sustainability, employee development, product quality, and customer value. So this allows the company to balance short-term financial performance with long-term business growth. Second, Honda performance measure is closely aligned with its strategy objective. The indicators support goals such as electrification, carbon neutrality, innovations, customer certifications, and operational excellence. These ensure business activities contribute directly to achieve long-term success. Lastly, Honda emphasizes innovations and continuously improvement. By continuously monitoring research and developments, operational efficiency, and product improvement, Honda can identify growth opportunities and maintain competitiveness. Overall, Honda balanced performance measurement systems support sustainable growth and long-term value creation. However, Honda performance measurement system also has some weaknesses. First, the complexity of managing multiple performance indicators. Since Honda operates across different business segments globally, Tracking a large amount of financial and non-financial data can increase administration burdens and reduce efficiencies. Second, the difficulty of measuring non-financial performance accurately. Indicators such as employee engagement, sustainability, innovation, and brand value are often quantitative and may take time before showing measurable results. Lastly, Honda may face limited responsiveness to rapid industrial changes. The automotive industry is changing quickly due to electrification, AI, environment regulations, and evolving customer expectations. Therefore, performance measures must be regularly reviewed and updated. In conclusion, improving flexibility and measurements accuracy can help Honda strengthen its future performance.
To conclude, Honda has established a comprehensive performance measurement system by integrating both financial and non-financial measures. Financial indicators such as profitability and return on equity are complemented by a non-financial measure, including a product quality, innovation, sustainability, employee engagement, and customer satisfaction, providing a more holistic evaluation performance. The analysis also showed that Honda effectively applied both the performance pyramid model, the Fitzgerald and Moon building block model. This framework aligned the company vision with operational activity through well-defined KPI and KGI while supporting continuous monitoring and improvement. Although Honda faced challenges such as balancing the short-term financial performance with a long-term investment in innovation and sustainability, its integrated performance measurement system enabled informed decision-making and strengthened the long-term competitiveness. Overall, Honda demonstrates that combining financial and non-financial performance measurement is essential for achieving a sustainability growth, creating a stakeholder value, and maintaining a strong competitive position in the global automotive industry.
Lastly, I will present the recommendations for improving Honda's performance measurement system. First, Honda should increase cost efficiency by improving production efficiency, optimizing its supply chain, and reducing unnecessary operating costs while continuing to invest in innovation such as AI, electrification, and ADAS technologies. Second, Honda should regularly review its performance measures by removing outdated KPIs and introducing new ones that align with current business priorities. Third, Honda should strengthen its non-financial performance measure by using more objective KPI, such as customer satisfaction, employee turnover, carbon emissions, and safety performance. Finally, Honda should continuously align its KPI with strategy objectives to support better decision-making and maintain long-term competitiveness. In conclusion, these recommendations will help Honda build a more effective and sustainable performance measurement system. Thank you.